Today we're coming to you with the BOKER Plus URD 2.0. That's spelled URD. I purchased this on Amazon for $40.54. I'll leave a link in the description below. It was actually purchased on Amazon, but the person or the company who supplied it was Blade HQ, so I'll leave a link to this on their website also. I just bought it on Amazon because I had free Prime shipping, and it's the same price on either place. So let's take a look at the packaging here. Just a cardboard box here. There's their website. Pretty basic. Or be a model number there, if you can read that. I don't know. I'll have some still photos at the end. Let's open this thing up. We have the usual little literature in English and German that BOKER has with their knives. Here it is here. There's the box, the little desiccant packet. Let's pull this out of the sheath. It's in a little plastic bag here. I'll set the sheath to the side for now. There it is. There it is. I don't know if you can see on camera, it has the BOKER Plus logo etched into it. And then this logo here is the designer of the knife. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. It's Macddesign, Macer, something like that. You know, it's a little baby cleaver. Its overall length is 4.75 inches. The blade length is 2.375 inches. The blade width is 1.5 inches. Thickness is 0.20. It's a nice little thick chunky knife for the size. The blade steel is D2. It is a Cleaver design. Has a stone tumbled washed finish on the blade. It's a flat grind. The grind appears to come up right to the fuller here. Speaking of which, has a nice little fuller. The handles are made from G10, black G10. And then we'll check the sheath out here. It's a little Kydex neck sheath. Comes with this little chain. It's kind of like a dog tag style chain. And the sheath just clicks in there. It is pretty firmly in there. I'm not sure, like if you were wearing this as a neck knife, if you pulled hard enough to pull that out, if it would pop that chain or not. Sometimes these sheaths can use a little tuning, so if it's a little tight for your taste, you can always heat it just a little here with a hair dryer or a lighter, and then pull it out once, and it should loosen it up a little bit. It actually, even with my big old hands, it actually, as small as that handle is, surprisingly fits well, although I actually think I would prefer this handle be a little longer, but then again, it wouldn't be as compact. These little ends here are a bit sharp. I don't know if you're wearing that as a neck knife, if that would poke you a little bit or not. But anyhow, has some nice large jimping here that goes along the whole back spine all the way up into the handle. It's pretty nice there. I believe this is a serial number here. So that's 1,377 knives. Macddesign is also the designer of the BOKER Plus little Devalian. Not sure how that's pronounced. And there's that logo again. There's those two knives, but side by side, you can really see how small that little cleaver is, because the little this knife, I won't even try to say the name again, I thought was pretty small. Nice. It's also a nice little chunky knife. You can really see kind of that design language. They're very similar. Totally different knife designs, but you know, thick chunky stuff with bold lines and fullers, G10 handle material. They know what they like. So set this over here. Pretty neat little knife. I'm not real sure exactly what the exact use for it would be. It'd probably be a decent little box cutter opener. So for me, it's just kind of, it seemed really unique, and I thought I needed to get it for my collection. If you found any value in this video or any entertainment, feel free to like the video. If you want to be notified when I post new videos, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. If you click the notification bell, you'll be reminded whenever there's a new video. I do post a video every week, usually between Wednesday and the end of the week. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.